Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about a simple thought that has helped many artists stay motivated. Your best painting is still ahead of you. As artists, we all have a favorite painting. Sometimes we look at it and feel proud, but we should never believe that our best work is already behind us. As long as we keep learning, practicing, and enjoying art, our best painting is still waiting to be created. Every time we paint, we learn something new. We may discover a better way to mix colors, a soft brush stroke, or a new way to show light. These small lessons may not seem important today, but together they help us grow. One day, they appear in a painting that surprises even us. Many artists become disappointed when a painting doesn't turn out well. They think they have failed, but one painting never decides your future. It is only one step in a long journey. Even the artists have painted many work they were not happy with. They simply keep learning. Imagine a person climbing a mountain. After every step, the view becomes a little better. Painting is the same. Every practice session, every sketch, and every mistake take you one step higher. You may not notice the change every day, but after a few months or a few years, you will be amazed by how far you have come. Never compare your work with someone else. Every artist grows at a different speed. Some improve quickly while others need more time. That doesn't matter. The only person you should compare yourself with is the artist you were yesterday. Sometimes we become afraid to try something new because we might fail. But without trying, we cannot improve. Paint that difficult subject. Experiment with new colors. Try a different composition. Every challenge teaches you something valuable. Success in art does not come from one perfect painting. It comes from hundreds of paintings, each one teaching a small lesson. The artists we admire today reached their level because they never stopped learning. They believed there was always something better waiting for them. So never say, I have reached my limit. Instead say, I can't wait to see what I will paint next. Keep your curiosity alive. Keep your brush moving. Keep your heart open to learning. The wonderful thing about being an artist is that there is no finish line. There is always another sunrise to paint, another story to tell, another idea to explore. That means your great work may not be painting you finished yesterday. It may be the one you create tomorrow, next month, or even years from now. So believe in yourself, enjoy the journey, and never stop creating. Because as long as you keep painting with passion and patience, your best painting is still ahead of you. Thank you so much and happy painting to all of you.